Confusion now surrounds the process of a formation of a tribunal to probe Supreme Court Judge Justice Philip Tunoi over graft allegations. While on the one hand, State House spokesperson Manoe Sipisu told Citizen TV that the documents presented to the president were unsatisfactory and as such were sent back to JSC, the commission has today stated that it has not received any request for additional information and in fact holds that it indeed gave all the necessary files as required by law. A JSC statement this evening explains that it sent a transmittal letter, a petition, and a report of the findings of the Commission on the allegations of bribery against Justice Philip Tunoi. So, why the confusion?
I suspect that the persons who may not be interested in the removal or suspension of the judge, Honorable Justice Tunoi, may want to probably create some confusion between the Judicial Service Commission and the presidency, which would give them an opportunity to probably run to court.
Attorney General Professor Gethu Muigai distancing himself from the matter.
The questions that you ask legitimately can be raised with the office of the president. What has been received, when it was received, what is contained, what is missing, etc., etc. The Office of the Attorney General advises, where the advice is sought, on whether in the totality of the circumstances there exists material to proceed with further action. Good.
JSC insists this is not the first petition of its nature it has handled and has in fact acted satisfactorily within what is provided by the Constitution.
That the Constitution even envisaged a situation where the president looks at the merits or otherwise of the petition, because that now will be the work of the tribunal.
However, political observers read an underhand scheme in the confusion that is now being linked to Chief Justice Willie Mutunga's succession race. While Justice Tunoi has attributed his woes to the CJ succession, observers note that there could be a tactical delay in the formation of a tribunal against Justice Tunoi as interests in the succession come into play. On the other hand, there is the argument of a delay pending determination of his case at the appeal court, in which he is challenging JSC's decision to retire him at the age of 70. The 72-year-old judge wants to retire at 74, as stipulated by the Constitution at the time he joined the judiciary. Now, once the presidency acknowledges receipt of the JSC petition, a 14-day countdown will begin, during which the president will be expected to form a 7-member tribunal to investigate the judge. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Business Center.